Good evening, ma'am. This is Erica Mipino, and I'm going to report about online resources, educational sites, and portals. How will you employ that tool in your lesson? Digital storytelling is the process of telling a story through digital means. Also, it happens to become the easiest ways to integrate technology into the classroom. Educators can use digital storytelling with almost any subject and can even flip their classroom by using mobile apps. Below is my comprehensive list of sites or apps that can be used for digital storytelling. Online sources, sites, and portals suggest tools and describe how they can be used to engage learners. Identify the iPad apps, Android apps, and web tools. iPad apps. The example of iPad apps is Telegami. Is a mobile app that lets you create and share a quick animated video called Agami. Agami can be an exciting tweet or status update. It can be a fun way to tell a story. And web tools. The example of web tools is VoiceThread. It's an interactive collaboration and sharing tool that enables students to build online presentations by adding images, documents, and videos, other media to which other users can add comments for discussion. How can I use the VoiceThread? Or how can we use the VoiceThread? VoiceThread has many potential uses for both in-person and online classes. Plus, because both faculty and students have access to create voice threads, students can create their own content or for assignments. Narrate PowerPoint presentation with audio or video. Encourage student-to-student interactions. Upload video to voice thread and gather reflections. And Android app. The example of Android app is the comic creator invites students to compose their own comic strips for a variety of contexts. Pre-writing, post-reading activities, response to literature, and so on. After completing their comics, students have the ability to print out and illustrate their final versions for feedback and assessment. Educational technology and mobile learning is a resource of educational web tools and mobile apps for teachers and educators. Home, categories, edtech tools, Google Drive guides, Chrome tools, Chromebook apps, Android apps, iPad apps, book for teachers, edtech charts, contact. As you prepare to become a teacher by learning how to utilize these digital tools, you need to have the right mindset or a way of thinking how these tools can be effectively integrated in the lesson. A lot of teachers may find it daunting to use a technology tool in a lesson. The anxiety to explore the possibility can be overwhelming. But for one who has the openness to learn and continuously study the features of the tools can possibly lead to a more productive way of designing a technology-enhanced lesson. What is the right mindset of a teacher in using the digital tool? With the fast-paced development of technology, educational sites, portals, or applications, change is inevitable. Working on a particular tools at the moment will for sure change as designers continually work to upgrade the features and design the tools to integrate new aspects. This is expected, that is why knowing a digital tools and its features may not be enough because there is a tendency of it in evolving through time. Hold on to the positive attitude and openness to learn, nurture the curiosity, and sustain the passion to improve practice. Persevere as you learn to adapt to the evolving digital tool. Once you get the habit of exploring the tools, perhaps taking one step at a time and expanding your ideas on how to creatively use the appropriate tool in a class, you will eventually see your transformation as a teacher who is becoming more relevant and effective in teaching content while at the same time develop learners' capacity to be creative and communicators in the 21st century. Thank you and God bless!